Today we're making dog-friendly sweet potato fries. John loves this recipe and it's so easy to make. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Let us show you how to make these dog-friendly sweet potato fries. Start by peeling a large sweet potato. It's important to remove all the skin. While the skin can be nutrient-rich for humans, it can be very difficult for dogs to digest, so they should not get any skin. Trim off the edges and then cut the potato in half, then cut into 1/4-inch strips. Place the potatoes in a large bowl and then fill it with cold water and allow it to sit for about 20 minutes or until the water has turned murky. This will help remove some of the starches. This is done to get crispy fries, so if you want to skip this step, you can totally do that as well. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Transfer the fries to the prepared baking sheet and drizzle with 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. You can let your dog get some coconut oil licks, as this healthy fat is an immune system booster. Spread the fries evenly on the baking sheet and bake for about 20 minutes, then rotate, flip, and bake for another 10 minutes or until golden brown. John decided to take a little nap while the fries are baking. Once the fries are done, sprinkle them with nutritional yeast. This is a super food for your dog and has a delicious cheesy flavor that your pup will love while providing essential amino acids. Let your dog enjoy these sweet potato fries as a treat or as the carb for their meals. The best thing about this recipe is you can also eat them too. You may just want to add a little bit of salt to yours. I make this recipe for John and me every single week. If you want more dog-friendly recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us next time in the kitchen.